Subscribe my channel and click on bell button to get alert for my new recipes. Hello friends, today I'm going to make veg chow mein or veg noodles. To make veg noodle or veg chow mein, we will take 4 cup of water in a pan and boil it in a medium-high heat. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of salt. Let the water boil for a few minutes. Now add noodles in the boiling water. Let it cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. If you like the recipe, press the like button, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Stir the noodle while they are cooking, and once they are done, strain the water and wash the noodle with the cold water. Put some oil on the noodle and mix it well so that the noodles should be coated with the oil properly. And they should not stuck to each other. Take a big pan and put 2 tablespoons of oil on the high heat. Now take the vegetables and we are going to stir fry them for a few minutes. So first I'm going to fry the onion for 2 minutes only. Saute them on the medium-high flame. Now I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste and I will saute it for a few seconds. Now I will add carrots and saute it for 2 minutes. Add red and green bell peppers and saute them also. Don't cook the vegetables for the longer time, otherwise they will lose their crunchiness. Now I'm going to add some salt. Add salt according to your taste, and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. One tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Now I'm adding the soy sauce, and I will give it a quick stir. Please make sure the soy sauce should not burn. Now I will add noodles and mix them properly. At last, I'm going to add 1 cup of cabbage or lettuce and mix it well. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper and I'll mix it well. My noodles are ready. They are ready to serve. Noodles are looking really delicious, and I'm going to serve it in the plate now. If you like my recipe, do press the like button and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends. Now the noodles are ready. Enjoy them hot. Thank you.